everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life, and today, you guys, we're going to go ahead and get started on a My Crafting World project using the Hamburger box. So this is a super cute little box, and y'all know I've been wanting to do baby stuff, but I thought I did a few baby things, and so I thought I'd change it up a little bit. So we're going to do this little box using the paper collection from, hold on one second. Well, I'm going to mix it up with two different paper collections because the first paper collection is a little bit used. It is an Echo Park paper by Lori Whitlock. It is called A Perfect Summer, and I have some of this left. As you can tell, I've been using it. And I might go ahead and mix it with Let's Be Mermaids. Again, it is by Lori Whitlock. I just love her papers. And so, and this is going to be so cute, you guys. Cannot wait. So I hope it turns out like I want it to. But let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and cut out all of the pieces that I'm going to be using, okay? And we're going to stick that over to the side. To get started, okay, now there are a couple of videos out there doing this. You're going to need to use, or if you purchase this hamburger box, you're going to need 2 of these, okay? You're going to need to cut out 3 of these little guys, okay, here. And these are little guys, with I call them the little arms sticking out the side. Okay, that's what I call them, little arms, the little arms sticking out of the sides there. So you need 3 of those, and then I believe you only need 1 of these, and this is the one that looks like this, that has the 2 little sidebars. Okay, so you'll need 1 of those. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and put this together real quick. So basically right now what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to burnish in all of the tabs or the score lines that are between these 2 boxes and the side pieces that we are going to attach later on. So that way everything's burnished for me beforehand. Okay, so now you're going to grab the 2 pieces that have the little arms on the side, and you're going to go ahead and butt those little flaps on the bottom piece, on the narrow side, up on top of the inside of the edge there of your hamburger box, just like I did here. And then you can go ahead and grab all of your pieces and put those on your pattern paper pieces, and go ahead and adhere those on top of the box. If you are using paper like I am, where you have a pattern that needs to be right side up, make sure that you cut it so that way your stuff isn't upside down when you put it together. Now this part of the box that I'm putting together is actually the bottom part of your box, because it has your 2 little arms that are on each side of the box. Okay, you will then see in just a minute that we're going to put together the top part of the box. Okay, so in just a minute I'm going to share with you how that looks. Now this is the top part of the box, and you'll go ahead and use your last little arm piece to put together, and then the piece that has the 2 bars that I showed you earlier, you're going to use that. That is actually going to be the piece that hooks onto your bottom piece and your top piece, okay, for your box. Okay, so now that I have my bottom piece done, now we got to do the top, which we already put our little pieces on. Okay, we adhered our little arm piece here and the little back piece here. Okay, what I like to do is even though I know, because I already papered this, that this is the bottom, I'm going to put bottom on one, so I know, and then put top on the other. Now that's just for me. Okay, so I know which one is going to be the top and which one is going to be the bottom. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place on our papers on the top. So on the top here, I'm going to place this little fishy here. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have your pieces that you're going to cover up your top of your box with. You want to make sure that they're cut out the correct way. So when you bring your top over, it's going to be set the correct way. Okay, so you're going to do that there. This one's going to be there, this one here, and this one here, just like that. Okay, so those are going to be these are going to be on the outside. For the inside, I did the same thing. I went ahead and cut out the pieces that I'm going to be put on the inside, and I'm going to go ahead and do that too. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere these pieces on just like I did the bottom, okay, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my top all papered. So for this back piece, now this is the top of my box, okay? This is the back piece that had the two little bars that are the flaps here. Okay, we're going to cover the inside of this. So again, you want to make sure that your pattern paper is faced the right way. Now, because this piece is actually going to hook onto the bottom piece, okay, this piece is going to sit on top. So this piece needs to sit on here, I believe, or I'm sorry, it needs to sit on here, just like that, okay? Which means that you need to make sure that I have waves, so I need to make sure that my waves are faced the correct way, okay? So I want to face my wave this way. I want to face my waves this way. Whoops, I'm going to go ahead and bring this down. All right. And like I said, that this other tab right here is going to be hooked onto this piece. Then you're going to face your waves this way, and this way, okay? Again, you want to make, I'm just making sure that all of my pieces are going to be the right way that I want them. So I could actually exchange this piece for here, so when it opens up, it's actually facing the right way. Okay, just like this. All right. So there we go. So now my waves are all correct on my top portion of my box, and I can put that aside. Next, I'm going to go ahead, and this is the bottom piece. Now, I haven't covered the bottom yet, but I do need to have another bottom square for this piece. Okay, so here we're just going to go ahead and we're going to place in our little tabs here. Okay, and I think I got this one wrong. Okay, so I think I got these two mixed up. Let's see here. But since I did that, I wanted that one to be on here, so when the box opens, it's on the correct way. So I do need to, probably I could go ahead, since this is the inside, I might go ahead and make a new one for that. So there is my wave for that one, and let's see here, and the wave for this one. So I just need to cut out a new wave for this piece here, so it's all the same way all the way around. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and covered both the top and the bottom of the box, and now we're going to go ahead and put this together. So before you put on this last piece, which is your bottom part of your box, okay, because this one's marked bottom, I'm going to go ahead and put this together because I want this flap to come in here, and then I'm going to put my little piece on top of here, just like that, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put some glue on here, just like that. And I'm going to fold it like I did the other pieces. And I'm just going to go ahead and bring that to the edge of that flap there. scoot this over just a bit. Make sure that it's lining up perfectly. And that is the easiest way to put on your little tabs on the box, okay? Or that it's easy for me, so I think it's the easiest way, but you know. Then I'm going to put some glue on here, and we're going to attach this little guy. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put my little tabs on. So now my tabs are going to show on the inside here, okay? But I am going to go ahead and I'm going to cover those up, okay, with some little items here from my sticker sheet. And I think they'll be like super cute little ways to cover up the little tabs. Okay, so here I'm just speeding up a little bit to put the tabs on, and I am going to be using some little sticker sheets that are like sticker borders, and then I'm going to put those on the tabs to cover them up. But again, you can definitely put your box together and then go ahead and put your papers on where on the inside of your box. And there is your little box. So how cute is that? And then that is the way that it hooks up. So I was going to let you know that these act like a little hook. So your box is, you know, held up that way. And you open it up and there you go. So now your box is all put together. Here is where I was using the sticker strips for the inside of the tabs just to cover them up a little bit. And I really like how it looked. It brought some color to the inside of the box. So I just think it's a great idea so you can use those sticker borders that you have on hand. All right, y'all, so I have finished the little box, and I think this turned out so stinking cute. I also created some little fun things inside, so little treats. So here on the top, I went ahead and used a little banner from the collection that I used, and then fun in the sun sentiment with some little flip-flops, and then fun up here. I just thought that was so cute. I just love this little fishy box, and I love how it turned out. And then it says treats inside. So inside, I went ahead and created some little tags and stuff that are inside for just like, you know, to use on cards or gifts or, you know, whatever, tags. I made some rosettes and did some little embellishments on here just to kind of jazz up the little rosettes. Thought that that was so stinking cute. Some little ice cream, another little banner with sunshine, a little bathing suit, and a little hot air balloon back here. It's a beautiful day. And then hanging out, I thought that was super cute. I also created some little bows, and so here's some little bows that I created just to put in here. Thought that was so stinking cute. So just some little bows with some two-toned flatback pearls that I had in my stash. So I thought those would be super cute in here. And then I created some little long paper banners, and I just think that these are so stinking cute. It says good times with hot air balloons, and then this one says summer, and it has a little lemon and then a little watermelon on there. That was so cute. And then on the inside here I have a little just a little sentiment and an ice cream flag that says the day is bright, and I just thought that that was so stinking cute. So This is the little hamburger box that I created using My Crafting World Designs micro hamburger box. Or not micro, the hamburger box. So this is my little project that I created using the hamburger box, and I just think that this turned out so stinking cute. So don't forget to use my code when you head over to My Crafting World Designs to grab or die or anything. You don't have to get this specific one, but there's tons of other ones out there. So use my code Debbie10 so you can save yourself some money. And yeah, so this little die is super cute. I just absolutely love this die. And then you get 2 or 3 sentiments. You get goodies inside, and then you get treats inside. And I went ahead and put the treats inside, and I did some stickles on the words there that make them sparkle. I think it's so cute. So thank you so much for joining me, you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks again for joining me, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to go over to My Crafting World Designs to visit Anna's store. Thank you all so much for joining me. Take care and have a great day.